Introducing Teamwork Time, Group Spelling Activities. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you practice spelling words. And our brains get stronger when we work together as a team. What materials does your group need? You will need the Teamwork Time directions, writing mats, word cards, and something to write with. Who will lead our group? Kids in your group will take turn being the spelling master. The spelling master starts by picking a card, but keep it hidden in secret. What activities will our group complete? Activity 1. Say the word slow, then fast.
Say the word cat slow like a turtle, then fast like a rabbit.
Cat. Cat.
Activity 2. Count the sounds in the word.
Count the sounds in the word cat.
There are 3 sounds in cat.
There are 3 sounds in cat.
Activity 3. Slide your finger under the boxes and say the word slow, then fast.
Slide your finger under the boxes and say cat. Slow, then fast.
Cat.
Cat.
Activity 4. Spell the word in the sound boxes.
Spell the word cat in the sound boxes. Now you can see the card. Let's check your spelling and fix any mistakes. Now it's someone else's turn to be the spelling master.
The next spelling master picks a new word card and leads the group through the 4 activities again. Good work! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.